In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 1098 form on Turbotax. Navigating tax software can sometimes feel daunting, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step smoothly and efficiently. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Turbotax official site. If you haven't already signed in, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your account. This site is user-friendly, so once you're in, navigating to different sections should be relatively straightforward. After you've signed in, you'll land on the Turbotax homepage. From here, look for the section that says 2024 taxes. This is where you'll be entering information for the current tax year. Clicking on this will take you to your main tax dashboard. This is an important hub where you can manage your federal and state taxes, view any notifications, and more. Next, head over to the federal section. Clicking on this option will lead you into a series of organized categories, all designed to help you input and review your federal tax details. Now find the section labeled Deductions and Credits. This is where you will tell TurboTax about any potential credits or deductions that are relevant to you, including educational expenses. Once in Deductions and Credits, you'll see a variety of topics. For our purposes today, we'll be focusing on the Education category. Select Education to bring up more specific options regarding tuition, educational costs, and associated forms. Given how tuition costs can significantly impact your tax return, this step is crucial for ensuring that you're correctly filing and potentially qualifying for certain tax benefits. Under Education, search for and select Expenses and Scholarships, Form 1098-T. This form is pivotal if you've been paying tuition, as it reports transactions related to your enrollment. You'll find designated areas where you can input the specific details from your 1098-T form as provided by your educational institution. Make sure to enter this information accurately to avoid any discrepancies in your tax filing. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through TurboTax to find where and how to input the 1098-T form. Remember, taking the time to carefully input all your educational expenses can ensure you're receiving all applicable credits and deductions, potentially saving you a significant amount of money. If you have any questions or if anything is unclear, TurboTax also offers guidance and support features that might be helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your tax filing process a little bit easier. Don't forget to double check your work and ensure everything is entered correctly before finalizing and submitting your taxes. Happy filing!